my channel. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. So today's video is super exciting and highly requested, and that is to do an organizing video, specifically the closet and how I organize my clothes, my jewelry, my shoes, my bags, and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video, as well as donating some of the things that I don't want anymore and selling some of the things that I don't want anymore. So as far as donating my clothes, what I like to do is have everything washed, organized, folded, and all of that, and then I drop it off at the Goodwill. And then for selling, I like to use the app Poshmark. So this video is actually in collaboration with Poshmark, which is a free app where you can buy or sell clothes. Today's video, I'm gonna show you the clothes that I actually will be selling on my Poshmark, so definitely follow me there. I will have my username and everything on the screen and in my description box, as well as a link where you can download the app for free in my description box. So if you've never used the app or never heard of it or anything like that, I have used it before and it's super simple. And actually you guys are the ones who recommended it to me. So if you do have a Poshmark account and have made your own closet and stuff like that, leave a comment down below your username where we can find you, and then we can all follow each other. Sell clothes, you can buy clothes on there, and they have so many different brands like Nike, Free People, like Louis Vuitton, like anything you can think of, you can probably find it on Poshmark. So once we get into the video and organizing everything, I will show you what I am putting on Poshmark, what I'm donating, what I'm keeping, but just organizing and making it look pretty. And as I've said in previous videos, my closet is by no means super organized, and it probably never will be the most organized closet. However, I do like to make sure everything is clean and just hung up right, or like certain things that I wear all the time are on display. So let's start with the fun stuff, the cleaning outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing like a basic little crop top. You want to make sure you're comfortable when you start cleaning. Lululemon Align pants. These pants are seriously so comfortable and you just feel like you are naked. Like they're so cozy. Oversized jean jacket is from PacSun. You know things are getting serious when you grab the stool. So first, let's just kind of walk in. So we have a sock wrapper because I just bought new socks because our socks always disappear. So we did that. We have a box of random stuff. The clothes actually don't look too bad, but we have some bins over here that kind of make it hard to like know what is in what. Like say for example I need something in here, it's just, you know, it's not the best system. This is where I like to keep a lot of my dresses, rompers, and overalls, like things that are a little bit longer, I keep here. And then I keep belts, bags, and like whatever jewelry I'm constantly wearing, which I'm actually going to be adding to it, I will put here. That way it doesn't tangle. And if it's something that I'm wearing over and over again, I like to just keep it out there. Sports bras and hats I keep here. And then I have some more bags up there, some sweatshirts up there. There's like, these are leggings that I wear a lot for the gym. Then I have sports bras here, hats here, shoes, and then just some random stuff like these. You guys know what these are, right? Like nipple covers. And then these are the sunglasses I've been wearing every day, so I keep those out right there. That way when I get dressed in here, I just pop those on. And then back here, we have a random bra, which bras go in my dresser, so that shouldn't be there. And then just sweatshirts that I guess I decided to just throw. So, and then like this shirt, what is this shirt doing? So yeah, all in all, it's not terrible. It's just, it could be better. So tip number one, this is definitely the first place you want to start, is with hangers. Believe it or not, I know that's so random, like hangers. So these are literally the best hangers. I get them on Amazon and they sort of have like a velvet feel to them. And I buy the brand Joy just because this brand I can get in bulk, so I can get big boxes of this. So as you can see, all the hangers I use are like this. There are a few random pink ones, but it is still the same material. But the great thing about these is things will stick to them really nicely. So you won't have the plastic hangers where things sort of slip off, and then some of them have like that bottom part too where you can actually hang things on. Okay, so step two, we're going to rearrange. So things you can find a better place for, you're gonna put them somewhere else. So I took the bins out so we could actually walk. We can actually move our feet here. Okay, so starting with these sweatshirts. I've wanted to move these for a while now, so I'm finally getting to do it. Oh yeah, didn't fall off the stool. You don't like the clothes on the bed? No. Yes, you do. I always move everything on my bed while I'm organizing, and what I ended up doing was putting my bags up there where I had the sweatshirts, and where I'm putting the sweatshirts is those bins that you saw earlier, and then I'm going to put the bins in my basement. So I'm just gonna keep out a few sweatshirts that I wear the most, and then the ones that I don't wear all the time, I'm just gonna have them in bins. And this bag I'm actually going to donate because I don't really wear it that much, and the inside has seen better days. So this is the before, and now the after is so much more organized and everything's out in display. Step 3, you want to find those messy sections and you just want to dive in. You want to fold things, you want to rearrange things, and so we have to start with my hats. These are a mess. Okay, so here are all my hats. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and see, do I really want all of them? A lot of them are like similar shapes, and do I wear all of them? And I'm kind of into that right now, like getting rid of stuff that I don't wear and just trying not to hoard. So let's start with this one. Yay or nay? Should we keep it? Should we donate it? It's so hard. Like I always think of like, but wait, like I always think of like scenarios where I'm gonna wear it and then I just like don't. So I think we'll put it in the maybe pile. Okay, next hat looks exactly like the first hat. This hat is actually pretty funny. I got it at Nordstrom's rack for a penny. Can you believe that? Like when she rang it up, I thought she made a mistake. So I said, oh, you marked that as a penny. And she said, yeah, that's what it is. You can't beat a penny. Okay, this hat I am going to donate. This Nike hat, I really did not wear that much. You think I'm going to put on my Poshmark, so I will make my Poshmark pile now. Yeah, it still smells new. I only wore it a few times. It's a fitted, what's this say? Dry fit. This hat is super cute. I totally forgot about this hat because it was hiding in my closet underneath a million other hats. So I'm definitely going to keep this one, even though I kind of feel like a tap dancer, like da, 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 da. So this looks so much better. I can actually see all the hats that I have. And now the next pile. I'm a little scared to dive into this pile, so hold my hands. So I went through those bins and I just put things in my dresser or in the bins that are going downstairs. And instead, I put my heels there. So the heels that I normally wear with the outfits you see on this rack. And that way it makes my life easier when I'm putting outfits together. I know what bag I'm gonna wear, as you saw on the top shelf, the shoes I'm gonna wear, and then the dress. I'm actually going to be selling this on my Poshmark as well. It's just this cute little romper. You can wear it in the summer, you can wear it over a bathing suit. I have been dreading this pile for a long time. Nothing about it makes sense. Nothing makes it easy when I'm getting ready. So instead, I decided to hang up my jeans. So I'm going to be selling jeans on my Poshmark, so definitely check that out there. But I only hung up the jeans that I actually wear. I had so many jeans in that pile, and none of them were ones that I actually could fit into or would wear often. And then these shelves, I added my boots. I have my over-the-knee boots. I just folded them over. I have my black booties, and I just think that this looks so much more neat, and it's going to make my life so much easier. So then step 4, I like to bunch similar pieces together. Okay, so here is another closet tip. I call this the trend area. So all here is like my blouses and stuff like that. Here is like my sweaters. So what I like to do is I color coordinate it, so all my whites, pinks, and like, you know, blush colors, nudes, gray. I think I only have one gray thing. Ooh, that goes with other whites. What are you doing, kid? Okay, and then all my black stuff. So I call it trend because it's like the more trendier things that are kind of in style right now, like bodysuits. I have a ton of bodysuits in here. And what I like to do is bunch them all together. That way, when you are having a moment or something, you know exactly where to find it. This is something that I've been doing in pretty much every closet I've ever had, even when I was in college and I literally had this much room in my closet. I would like bunch a few pieces together that were super trendy. That way I could find them easily, and I would just kind of keep them close like that, and then divide like classic things that I wear all the time over here. And I do the same thing with sunglasses and even shoes that kind of have a similar look. I put them all together. That way if booties are on my mind, like little booties like this, then I have the ones that I wear the most out. Okay, so these are the necklaces that I really wear the most. We have Baby Star. By the way, all of these can be found on my Etsy site. We have Baby Star, mermaid coin, which is our best seller, and then this is a wrap necklace. And this is really great when you are wearing a low cut shirt and you just want something like to fall in the center. This wraps and it just looks gorgeous, and you can layer this or anything. This is a great layering piece. So all of these I'm going to be putting on my belt rack. Okay, so these are all of my belts. Now that I moved the bags, I can like hang all the belts here. And then like I said before, the jewelry that I'm really wearing at the moment, I like to put here. You don't have to put all your jewelry out on display like that, but just the pieces that you're wearing the most. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed something different. So let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos, organizing and getting your life together and all that kind of stuff. Also, definitely make sure to check out my Poshmark so you can see all the things that I'm going to be selling, as well as downloading the app for free in my description box. So have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.